Hi everyone, welcome to Shaun Allen Films, the educational series. I'm Shaun Allen. This is part 1 of the nervous system. If you are new to my channel, welcome. So far we have covered the integumentary system, the skeletal system, and the muscular system. Now I'm not the only one in the show. Over here to my right is Professor Word.
Hello, I'm Professor Word. If you are interested in checking out the other series that we have covered, then all you need to do is go to the official Shaun Allen Films YouTube channel and check out the playlist. As you can see, it's very easy to do, so be sure to check them out very soon.
That's right. And by the way, if you want to stay connected to our channel, be sure to subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Now there's one more character I need to mention. It's Professor Biochem. There we go. Hello everyone, it's great to be here. I hope you enjoy this series. It's shockingly good. Get it? Shockingly. You know, brain, nervous system, spinal cord, nerves. Never mind. Right. Anyway, we will be breaking up the nervous system into different sections. Here's what we're going to do. In part 1, which is the video you're watching right now, we will learn about the 2 different divisions of the nervous system. In part 2, we will be learning about the brain. In part 3, we will look at the spinal cord and learn why it is so important for us in our everyday life. In part 4, we will be looking at neurons. This episode might be a little bit tricky, but don't worry. If you review the information over and over again, you'll be able to figure it out. Oh, and by the way, we'll be learning about different cells in the nervous system in that video. Part 5 is going to be a good one. We'll be learning about the 5 senses. You know, sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. And finally, in part 6, we will do a complete summary of everything we have learned in this series. So if you're ready, then let's get started. Oh wait, hold on. I'm not ready. Now I'm ready. So if you're ready, then let's get started. A couple minutes ago, I mentioned that the nervous system is divided into 2 sections. Is this true? Well, it is. The first section is called the central nervous system, or CNS.
CNS? Hey, that's my favorite news radio station.
For breaking news every second, this is CNS. In sports, just a couple seconds ago, the Neurons baseball team lost their 20th straight game against the undefeated White Sox.
Oh, not again.
The central nervous system is composed of the brain and the spinal cord. The second section of the nervous system is called the peripheral nervous system, or PNS. There are a couple of very special cells in the spinal cord: nerves and ganglia. Nerves are a group of axons and sheaths that extend from the brain and spinal cord. Ganglia are a collection of neurons that are around the outside of the brain and spinal cord. Now, I know we don't know about neurons, axons, sheaths, and all of that. Don't worry. We'll actually look at them in a future episode called Neurons and Neuroglia. Be on the lookout for that one.
Believe it or not, but there are 2 different categories of nerves in the peripheral nervous system: spinal nerves and cranial nerves. Spinal nerves are nerves that start from the spinal cord. They extend away from it. Cranial nerves are nerves that start from the brain. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Thus, there is a complete total of 43 pairs of nerves in the peripheral nervous system.
The central nervous system can be further broken down into 2 different sections: the somatic motor nervous system, or SMNS, and autonomic nervous system, or ANS. The SMNS is responsible for helping us move our skeletal muscles. In other words, this system helps move the muscles that surround our skeleton. The INS is responsible for helping our involuntary muscles. These are muscles that we have no control. These muscles include the smooth muscles and muscles that surround our organs. Now, believe it or not, but the ANS can also be divided into two different sections. They are the sympathetic division and the parasympathetic division. The sympathetic division helps prepare the body for action. It will help increase the heart's strength and rate so that it can pump blood faster. It can also excite the liver to produce more glucose into the blood during a fight or flight response. The parasympathetic division does the exact opposite. It can slow the heart rate down and lower the blood pressure. One important job is helping the muscles that make up the stomach churn food in the digestive system.
Another job for the parasympathetic division is getting specific glands to start working, like the lacrimal glands starts producing liquid.
For those of you who don't know what the lacrimal gland does, well, it produces tears. Well, I guess that about wraps it up for part 1 of the nervous system. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something. And in our next episode, we're going to be learning about the brain.
Before you go, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button, favorite this video, share it, and leave a comment down below telling us what you thought about today's show.
Be sure to also check out Shaun Allen Films, the vlog series, the Disneyland video series, and the Travel Town series. If you want more information about the educational series, please be sure to check out the official Facebook page dedicated to this series. Be sure to also follow Shaun on Twitter and on Instagram. All the links are down below in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more educational videos. Well, that's all for today. Until next time, keep on learning.